Hi there. I was setting up a document in Canva and really digging into it for the first time, and I realized I was having some problems and didn't love the look of it. It was coming in very linear, as this example in front of you shows, just line after line. I couldn't add an image and move it over to the side. It just looked yuck. So what I started working on was some things to make this look better. So I thought I would show you some of the things that I added. First of all, when I come down into the document like this, I thought, wouldn't it be nice if this was a full bar across? And so when you come to the plus sign, you could either do the quick action with the slash or do the plus. And as you scroll down these things, you'll see some items like dividers. There's the page break I've been looking for. You could do multiple columns and several other different things that you might like in here, but it wasn't really obvious to me at first. So what I decided to do is just start with a simple table element, and I'll just do one block of a table. That puts me the full width of my document. And so that is something then I could take and drag my text into, and then I could color that background, and this is just a simple cell like within a table. But here's how I did it. I went up into the color of the table there, and then you could pick a brand color. And since I was doing something Canva-y, I picked something like that. Decided I wanted my text to be white on that blue color. So again, going in and finding that text. So I like that look a lot better than a simple heading level 2, heading level 1, whatever. And what I was also noticing, like maybe this agenda, I'd like it to wrap into 2 columns, not really set up to do that thing. But if I came in here, let's just click at the end of that, hit enter, and then using the plus sign, again going to the table. This time I'll take 2 table squares, and that way I could take the first 4, do what I mean, not what I did. There we go, got them. And then I could take the next 4 and pop them in to a little setup like that. Again, I like that better. It's not such a linear look, and you could color that, you could do different things. Let's get our agenda going as well. So what I did there again was table, a single cell. And actually, you know what I did. Once I had one, I copied it, duplicate. I made the word agenda, and then I could easily move that by selecting it. There we go, selecting it and drag it into place. And then I could get rid of the other one. And I could get rid of that one. There you go. So those are the kind of things I started working on. As I built this out and I wanted to add a page break at a certain place, I realized when I downloaded this as a PDF, it put whatever darn page breaks it wanted in, and it was cutting off at the worst times. So if you wanted a page break, again, use the plus, scroll down, down, down. There's a page break, or you could do Control Enter, which for those of you in the know, that's a standard one in Word. So there you go. Put your page break exactly where you want it, and then I think you'll have a lot better success when you download these as a PDF or whatever you need to do with it. So I hope those tips help. I ended up making this version over here. It was a lot more just spread out. It still has some linearness to it, but I had a table at the end. Again, I built a table, so I liked it a lot better. I thought it looked better. So, anywho, hope you have good luck with this. Thanks.